Hi everyone, it's Tiffany here to do my recap. Surprise, surprise, I traded Tesla today. I sold off this morning and I saw that it was putting in a bottom. As you can see right here, I have some daily levels marked for 1790 and 415.79. And it came down and tested this level, this first 417.90 level with some nice volume, came back up, tested the moving averages, and came down, and then this is when I started realizing it was starting to look like an inverse head and shoulders pattern. As you can see right here on the 1 minute chart, I thought this was going to be the right shoulder, and so I went long with the stop loss below this, what would be the right shoulder. And then I took my first partial up at the 20 moving average on the 5 minute chart, which was also around the VWAP on the 15 minute. And then it came back down and stopped me out, which when it rejected the VWAP and started coming back down, I figured it was going to come down and pretty much stop me out to the penny. But I went ahead and let it do that just in case it continued to go down. And I just sat and waited on it to start going back up, because it started looking like a better head and shoulders on the 5 minute chart and the 2 minute chart. It started making new highs again, and I got back into the trade, stop loss below the right shoulder, and which was also at the low of the previous 5 minute candle. And then my partials were taken at once again on the 5 minute chart, the let me make this bigger so you can really see, the 20 moving average on the 5 minute chart, then the VWAP, then this 422 level is from the 8 a.m. candle, and then a partial at the 50 moving average on the 5 minute, and then I moved my all out when it made a new 15 minute low. But that was my Tesla trade today. And then I finished my day with this AAL trade. I saw that it made a really nice 5 minute shooting star above this daily level that I have marked. And then it put up a bit of a double top, and I saw that it was having a really hard time breaking back through these levels on the 1 minute chart. And as you can see here, the 9 and the 20 crossed and started curling down, and the 50 was coming up to meet them. And it also made a 15 minute low, and it was breaking this support level right here. So I went short with a stop above these moving averages on the 1 minute chart. My first partial was taken at the 20 moving average on the 15 minute chart, and then the 50 moving average on the 5 minute, as you can see right here, and then VWAP, and then actually, I did have a level right here that, right here that I partialed really heavily at. I partialed everything but 10% of my position. And the reason I did that, it was also the wick of the 8 a.m. candle, and it was also the 50 moving average on the 15-minute chart. And then I tried a ridiculous ad. Well, the ad itself wasn't ridiculous, the ad area, but I didn't wait on enough confirmation to add to my position before it went down further. This 1295 level on the 5-minute, as you can see, was a resistance, was a nice resistance and support level earlier in the day. So I was thinking if it came back up to that area, I would add and then move my stop above that level. And as you can see, I added to my position and then it stopped me out and then went my way. So I really stink at adding. Anyhow, those were my trades for the day. I hope you all had a good day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.